Now I'm on a mission to go and buy Bummy.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
To go and buy Bummy in Davenport, and not anywhere in Davenport, because that usually wouldn't be that difficult. Anyone familiar with Davenport, like 27th side of Davenport, but in Logman, I don't know how well that is. You know, it's funny, we say Logman all the time. I'm not entirely sure if we're even saying that correctly. We might find out afterward that that's not how it's pronounced. I can already hear Lisa. You go on the road like that? You see why you shouldn't, blah, blah, blah. Which is, I wasn't planning on coming here, but yes, I concede to the fact that you're right. Leaving the house, I should have changed my clothes. Also need to get home and figure out Mother's Day for my mom. Mother's Day always find a way to sneak up on me. It sucks that it does that. You'd think someone born in May would be better about me. Birthdays and all of that. I have a good friend from high school who I can say is one of the very few people that I still talk to from high school. We've been to hell and back together. My friend Tia, who has her own little baby now, moved out of the state. Very proud of her. And went upward and onward in her nursing career. She's born in May too, and I always, like, I call her from May, but I always miss her birthday as well. So Tia, I apologize to you. Happy birthday every day of May. And to all the May babies out there. Anyway, let's go in the trunk, see if we can get in the sweater or get away with something, and go into Logman and see if we can find this Bummy. If you ever catch me in a sweater and a shorts, that's not just me being a weird Florida man. That means you caught me out in my damn yard clothes, and I had to get out the car. And the only thing I could do to kind of make it not look so bummy and yardy is throw on a sweater, which arguably I don't think is really improving the situation. Over here behind me, it's a Polk County engine. I don't know what's going on over there. When I say engine, I mean a fire truck. So my non-firefighters out there. Here we go. Into the supermarket now. Still not quite sure if I am totally sold on the sweater improving how I look right now in comparison. But hey, you know what? The supermarket trip might give me a last minute chance to get some ideas for Lisa for Mother's Day. I mean, I can definitely say that we can do something for Mother's Day, but what it will be or what her gift will be, I don't know. I need to be better about that and better about planning and stuff. I'm normally pretty good about Christmas, but the other smaller holidays, not so much. Alright, so we're here in the international section in the West Indies section, and I am not having any luck seeing what I got sent for as a festival, but not Bummy. Usually we offer and call Lisa if she want me to go and check another supermarket, but really not in the mood today. I don't know if maybe I'm secretly still holding on to the idea of getting home in time for Jeopardy, but yeah, that's a no-go. I'll call Lisa and let her know. We'll see how badly she wants this Bummy. Alright, so Lisa said she will take the carrot, so and the festival to try and make some escovitch fish. I should have known that was the plan. From what I saw was out in the fridge was some snapper, so let's see. She's at home watching Jeopardy without me now. Alright, so I'll have that. Let's get out of here. Is it the thing about the supermarket? Whenever I get here, I want to come in here and just get one thing and just leave and just be a typical man. But then I'm also like, yo, I don't waste the trip to come here. I might as well think about it and really see if I need anything. I did say I need some vitamin C earlier, didn't I? Let's go get that and get out of here. Alright, I'm trying something new, trying to give you guys a camera view of what I'm looking at while I'm trying to pick up this vitamin C. So here's the problem with this country, right? So as I look at this, I'm looking at the Sutra products. First of all, the immune boost things, only reason I'm even considering those is because they're on sale with the buy one get one, which still makes them overpriced, but not to the point where I wouldn't even look at them. This one now, if I'm looking at the sugars on this, 21 grams of sugar, which there's no added sugar, but I mean 24 grams of sugar, and then how much vitamin C is in this? Alright, 203% of that, and there's 70% of your zinc intake in this. Let's compare this to the other juice I used to buy, which is this, which if you're ever sick and you really need a boost of vitamin C and you're not really that worried about your sugar, is great. But the thing with this is, when you look at this is a total of 43 grams of sugar, way more calories. I mean, it's great because it has our Jamaican cherry in it, but man, the amount of sugar that is in this just make it not worth it. And then when I compare it in price, at least the Suja is boosting that it's organic, which I know organic can be gimmicky. Not everything needs to be organic, but they will sure sell you the premium of it being organic if they can. So I don't know, it's too much research that goes into this stuff. You do your best, but man, there are a lot of people trying to make money off of you trying to eat healthy in this country. It's just too much of a task, I feel like, unfortunately. Okay, so I forgot to share this with you. So Lisa called me, or I called Lisa back when I got here to tell her that they didn't have the bummy, and Lisa saw me in the sweater and already started laughing at me for wearing her sweater. So yeah, I really gonna have to review how silly I look walking around in the sweater and if it was worth it versus just doing the whole yard clothes bumming it in the wife beater. Anyway, stop watching. Yo, let me tell you something about blogging. As much as you think that there's cameras everywhere and blogging is like almost would be this normal thing now, it is always weird to watch people's reaction to you walking around with a camera. Anyway, let's get into the freshly washed car and get it back home before something annoying happens, like a bird decides that, you hear them, right on schedule, that it's time to drop a squat on my car, or I have to drive through some construction or something. Something annoying can happen at any given time in Florida when you're outside. Road time. Alright, so we are out of here. Giving you guys a little bit of the view of the road while we drive. You are slightly off to the right, so you can see me, of course, at the same time. But yeah, let's get home. Alright, so I decided it wasn't all that important for you guys to see me in Lisa's sweater anymore. I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of the drive. Sorry if it's moving. I'm gonna try to stabilize you guys the best I can. But yeah, this is the logman Publix that we're leaving right now on the way back to our home. You know, and as I sit here, me and Lisa have a bad habit of doing this. So this is what's in this place, by the way, just so you guys can take a look. There is weirdly a Dollar General that just comes up out of nowhere. That's gonna be on your right. This looks like a school they're building over here on your right side right now. So I mean, we know that there will be things here, but we just don't know. Well, I think we know that we don't want to stick around long enough for things to build around here. Plus, this isn't our property. It's not like we have a house and we're just being picky about the area. We're still renting, so this is not the final nesting place for us. There is the Dollar General. Yo, that light changed super quick. So I've successfully missed all of Jeopardy. I'm now going to have to try and find somebody online that puts it on YouTube or something. Oh, sorry. You see, Lisa's starting to rub off on me. I'm supposed to say sorry when you burp or any of those things. I'm not apologizing for those things. Excuse me. Sorry. See them finally finishing the last couple homes that were up here. It's weird because we haven't been here that long, but I still get that weird, like, I feel old vibe, because I can remember when some of these houses were not there, and I know that wasn't that long ago, but it's just the changing of the guard, which is weird, because it's like you're saying to yourself, like, man, I remember when those weren't there. But at the same time, when they weren't there, you're like, yo, they need to hurry up and finish all this construction.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.